Well, another good day to tidy up the workshop. I was expecting it to be rainy and wet like they said on the news, but it's stinking hot out there. Horridly humid. Got the big air conditioning on, nice cold Bundy and Coke to sip on, and I'm just going to spend the rest of the day tidying up and just fiddling around. Nothing serious. Going to put that little fridge in down here, hopefully. It's a pretty deep unit. It's going to come out fairly far, so I might move all these mots and big capacitor bank and computers and just stick it down there in the corner, because that comes out far enough. Got to go back to the scrapyard and check a few things out. Go back to the guy who I got the International off. I'll take that back. Already picked these up at the scrapyard. Some nice 90-degree elbows. $2.50 for the lot. Good deal. Yeah, lots of things to do. I'm going to look at some old engines. Apparently there's a pair of really old stationary engines down at the scrapyard to pick up, like lawnmower engines. God, it's hot today. It's supposed to be rainy and cold, but not in bloody summertime. A friend just gave me this one. The guy I got those 3 really rusty old engines from. Needs a new casting there that's busted. The governor housing. Everything else is there. It's a BSA. Old British small arms power pack, power unit. Nice original decal. Good thing is there's another one over here at the scrapyard. This one's a little worse for wear, but it's got a magneto, which I need, and it's got an intact governor housing, which I need. Carby's smashed, so that doesn't matter. This is going to be a parts unit, and that's a Villiers Mark 20 R for reduction drive. It's got a gearbox in there, like a spur gear and a crown wheel. Also a manual flywheel for a 186. They're pretty hard to find. Yeah, Mark 20 RG, reduction geared. Made Ballarat. They're both seized up. Governor's stuck. Crankcase fillet's stuck. Very interesting. There's a 186. It's got an auto flywheel on it. Ton of Danfoss stuff. Refrigeration compressors. What a waste. Yeah, they've all been mangled. They vandalise them from when they dispose of them. That's all part of that unit. A lot of caps in those VFDs. Yeah, it's rooted. It's a Kirby multi-refrigerant type. Charging types. R507, R134A, R22. Made for all kinds of refrigerant. Still got the old R12 style valve on it. New flares, new king valve. That one's wrecked. New kingy, new run caps. It's a Blue Star HAM010BOOG Danfoss Brazil R22 220 volt unit. There's a Scroll Technologies Performer Scroll Danfoss. Here's a little interesting tool that I couldn't turn down today. I was at Middy's Electric getting some heat shrink and stuff, and they have these things on the shelf. They're a multifunction electronic testing tool. Best part is it detects microwave radiation leakage. I've been looking for something like this for a while. It does non-contact AC volt check, wrong connection check on appliances, non-contact true live check, and television and microwave radiation check. So say if I take this, I've got the aircon on, there's 24 volts across this thing, but because it's low voltage it won't pick it up. But if there's dangerous voltage, like in this way, here I find the live, there it is. So it's crossing over between the live and the neutral now. The neutral's floating a little bit, so it does. There's a variety of codes in the owner's manual that tell you what it really means. That one's live. If I go down here, this is supplying the computer. That's live. Ethernet's too low voltage to detect. There's something else I can find. Okay, let's look at the heating and air conditioning control panel. We can see this contact is energized because that's for the condensing unit outside, cool only. And we can find AC in. So that's telling me that's the true live. And that's the neutral. Neutral. Live input. Live output from the contactor going to the condensing unit outside through here. It's sort of crossing over there, but that's neutral. Shouldn't get anything off the CT. All this should be nothing. What's that one? That's 24 volts AC. Very weak. It's just reading the AC from the 24 volt control transformer, but only just. No, where's that one coming from? Going to the contactor coils, but for some reason it's picking that one up. Oh, there. It's just picking up the 24 volt control. Only just though, it's not coming off the transformer. Probably because of the magnetic field. I'll put a meter across that and see what the voltage really is. I wonder if that transformer's breaking down. Okay, well the meter says 60 volts is the minimum that it's reliable for, but it's actually picking up the low voltage from the control transformer. It's still 25 volts coming out of the transformer, but after it comes out of the contactor coils, it's looping through the contactors back to here. For some reason it changes a little bit and it's picking up this secondary side coming through the coils. Probably a frequency thing, but that's quite good though. Tells me something's active anyway. But I'd say that meter's working properly. It says to check it when you get it out of the package and put the batteries in. Just check it against a known working live source, and I've done that and it works. So that's good.